Good morning. Today my grandfather is going to slaughter a goat for me being here, I guess. Yeah, so going to slaughter a goat. Wash. Sijune?
Yeah.
Tuamina kwa fela mkweni.
Okay. What are Oh, yeah. Couldn't be.
Amo.
Yeah. No,
The dogs are barking. That's Patukapo. So now I'm going to visit my paternal grandparents. Ndalonge limba lene. Teka mango. Let's take this. I'm on Dumba Tacontos. So after coming back to visit my paternal grandparents, we just came back to barbecue and cook the goat meat. I was very excited to eat this meat and we really enjoyed it. It was so delicious. Tushimbali.
Talvez não esteja andando, já vi como deixa a wind.
Ainda pode ser.
Está a primeiro. Funny, quoi?
Yes. Actually, already Joe, man.
Already Joe.
Oh, she. Oh, Joe. Fun. The results of us pounding mealie. What is it? Mealie? What? Is it sorghum? No, it's not sorghum. It's maize meal. We can make so fresh maize meal, freshly pounded maize meal can make traditional pancakes. So just make traditional pancakes at the fire, and we are still going to make the one where you can boil. Going to make the one where you can boil in the pot. Oh, my napsa. Napsa, my. Tanto dziepo. Traditional pancakes ongome ikuira oshikwira. Puna umwata lange no mentionne to amenapo. Ingishke? Oh, mea. Okay. Oh, totura mone oshke tueshi?
Oh, ufila nonga. Ila dafa kulipe.
Traditional beer, nilo traditional wine, eh?
Ole aliyopata ngombe alimelela.
Yeah.
Ndani tam.
This is the sorghum maize that we use to make the traditional beer. The first step is putting on the fire, the wood fire. Okay. Aye, okay, Shivali, what's the next step?
Nyo kwape.
Konuno.
Ai, hakonuna ajana mbulukwa ile nganye.
Kwa lukano.
Naluka.
Right now it is boiling. So this is gata shuto shap samos. This means it's getting ready to be brewed. So after you finish boiling the liquid, the other liquid, what they do is put the stuff in this, I don't know what kind of sack is this, but basically it kind of filters out the liquid. See here, it filters out the liquid, and then the leftover stuff stays in the sack, and then this is the liquid that comes out of it, and it has to, like, I think, ferment for a couple of hours, and we're only gonna be able to drink this tomorrow. Shisha jamu naleshi. Shisha jamu naleshi nga. Shi hapo ne. Ano vapo. Mtalemeni. Amtu lashkemen. Mtu leke shajamu mbia. Ife kwa akutuvikwa fio mongura. So what they mostly put here is alcohol liquids, right? To ferment, I guess. It's for fermenting. Traditional crafted. I don't know what it's called. I don't know the name in English, but in our language is oshito. Mahangu. Mahangu maize meal, or not wrong if I couldn't.
It's not maize meal. This grain.
Mahangu grain,
Maize
millet.
Millet. Maize meal.
This is the millet that we use to cook up, the brown pap. Storage thing. Nayo yapyanga. Anga. Ai napsa. This is the fermentation process. Ngao pona kala talala. Eshe limete. Yemekuru. So it's really fermented. Guys, what are you drinking?
You wanna see?
Yay!
So yummy.
Oh, this is a traditional beer.
So yummy.
How are you feeling? Is it strong? Is it strong?
No, not at all.
Is it very light?
It's very light.
But it doesn't make you drunk.
No, apparently it does. But this is my fourth
Fourth, huh?
cup. And I'm still sober, so I'm guessing.
I need to get more. I need to get more for sure. Otra much time.
I know why now. I'm wondering.
My cousin, let me see your wine. Ntalo wine now. It was wine nani? Ipepe la. What are you drinking?
My little traditional beer.
Oh.